is this assessment, is this diagnostic, is that a good place for me to start to win them over?
It depends. So when you take the diagnostic, it's a free tool and it asks you a series of questions around the grade 8 pillars. So one thing we haven't really talked much about is, in addition to outlining the grade 8 pillars, we identified over 120 gold standards across those 8 pillars. And those gold standards are everything from what we've identified as best practices, industry best practices, Google standards, technology standards. So it's not just stuff we made up. It's universally accepted standards in marketing. When you take that assessment tool, most of the time you're going to recognize that there are a lot of things you need to fix. I don't always recommend you share that with the C-suite if you're a marketing leader or a marketing person, because what it might do is just highlight that you haven't done all these things. However, it gives you a great path for what you can do to improve. If you want to win over those leaders that aren't on board, that's goals, KPIs, and industry benchmarks. So there's nothing better, when you're a leader of a company and someone walks in your office and says, hey, I've got an idea. I think we can improve something. And these are the goals I think we should have. And this is the return on investment I think we can get. Should we give it a try?
Sounds like a done deal.
Yeah, you'd be like, hell yeah, right? Because now you got somebody on your team that's like into it, they're invested, it's gonna help the company out. You'd be a crazy leader to say, no, we don't want to do that. But if you follow the methodology in that chapter, it'll give you a framework for which, how to create those goals. And we also in the book talk about how to present that to the leadership team to get them on board.